Okay.
It was of good intent. I always have an excuse, right?
Where did I put? Okay, there's my thing.
Y'all pound
So we want
harder.
to pound hard. I think it helps to concentrate on one piece at a time. Ooh. So, Carol, do you want to take the ones that are already good and pounded and put them in the bowl?
Yeah, I'm getting the buttermilk out.
Okay. We're going to soak these in buttermilk. Why?
It's a very violent thing.
Buttermilk.
Shit.
Actually, if you were gonna cook it a different way, you could also soak the deer meat or venison in the buttermilk overnight, and it takes the gamey flavor out of it. And it also makes it just delicious chicken
What is
fry.
gamey flavor?
Gamey flavor.
It tastes
because
like
it is wild
venison.
game. And you know, you want it to. I gave someone my sausage the other day, and after they steamed it on top of the
I
stove,
can pound some of these
We can
some
pound them
more.
more.
they well, I'm gonna get the good ones here. This one looks pretty good. Oh, that was mine.
Was that some snark coming from you, Carol?
Perhaps.
Just a bit?
I think my mallet is pretty effective. It's also very, very enjoyable.
I think I can set
Watch
this
out.
here without. I melted one of my burners over the holidays with Tupperware.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
So you put Tupperware on top?
Yeah, premature laying down
Mm-hmm.
or forgetting to. That works pretty good.
Yeah, it does. See, the Lord is a mighty hammer. Jesus is a mighty hammer. Here, some of these might be worth taking
and
out.
you know, a hammer is a mighty hammer too. This is like what they call a rubber mallet. Am I correct?
Yes. Okay, there's some more we can
There's
put out.
many uses.
Like an anvil.
Oh, it's looking pretty good.
Uh-huh.
It's that yellow stuff. I mean that white stuff.
That's buttermilk. She just
Oh,
said
yeah,
the
yeah,
whole game
Yeah.
I
is
was concentrating on
And we're gonna
beating the
really-
meat.
Yeah.
We're gonna beat some more meat here.
Okay,
There's
that's
a few.
fine.
Let me think about this. Is not quite. This is halfway done. My fingers. Oh my god.
Okay, now it's done. Okay.
So, thank you, Sister Dear.
You're welcome. We always
No, I
like
meant-
to pound meat.
I meant Sister Deer.
Oh, Sister
know.
Dear. Was this a doe?
I believe so. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it's a girl.
Well,
I feel as if we need to honor
it might be a
them.
spike, so it's asexual for our purposes. But
What's the
I had to carry
difference?
papers back.
Why
with
don't you
it.
educate our audience?
Oh God.
Just tell
Really
us what the
sad.
difference is.
Well, okay, but I'm just going to rinse this blood off my hands.
Oh, okay.
With a little. Yeah, there's blood on my hands.
Oh, I think we
Uh.
pounded the wax paper right into the meat
You
here.
know, I
Yeah.
figured out that message from the Pleiadians
It won't kill us.
that said we're supposed to not eat flesh
Yeah.
to purify ourselves. It's just a message from the man trying to get us all to lay off the meat, so we'll be too
Well,
weak to fight him.
but hunting is a big industry, and that goodness they have it. It's probably definitely trumped ranching industry out there, and
People love to
the
kill.
sheep and goat capital of the world. So,
I
it's,
think that people love to
and the
kill.
economy, when I was out there, they thought it was like the Y2K when the new president was coming. They were like, because they're
Well, I think it
oil
might.
and gas people,
Right.
I've read all
But the companies
about.
quit
Well, it's
drilling
coming
and
back
stuff. So.
now. The whole thing is falling down again.
But they're my dear friends,
They'll
so I
always
don't want.
be rich,
Here.
especially if Texas breaks off from the rest of the United States.
Well, that was a suggestion while I was out there. That We
Yeah.
should do that.
I think that
That we secede.
Yeah,
Well,
I think
because
John
it-
Cornyn's probably going to leave. Oh, I didn't mean to say that
The whole-
because
well,
I am
but
job
it's-
hunting.
Why should
You
we?
can talk about him if he's in public
He's a
office.
public-
He's been kind of embarrassing. to
He's
me.
the one that didn't let Hillary get.
Yeah,
And
very
that
embarrassing. I woke up to hear that on NPR,
I think it was.
and I was like, "Oh, I'm so embarrassed to hear that story."
Because I think he was just saying, "Hey, we know what you did last summer,
Yeah,
and
totally.
we're gonna make you wait until after the president's sworn in, bitch, because that's how powerful Texas is."
What'd she do last summer?
Well, I meant that figuratively. I meant
I understand
all the
that.
people she's had suicide. in
Right,
over the
right.
years.
People
She's-
go to these motion pictures,
Oh,
similar to your kaleidoscope.
1, 2.
So tell us some dirt about Cameraman since you're here.
Yeah, why the fuck not? It's like truth or dare. When you
Right.
got somebody's mother, they always tell the truth.
Right. The unflattering truth.
They don't have to make up shit.
I enjoyed Cameraman when he was young and pliable.
Pliable.
Well, I bet he got a little out of hand after a while.
You know, he would fall out of stuff a lot. He fell out of the car one time.
Uh-oh.
I think I have
That
heard
happened to
that.
me too.
But we were just
Did
kind
it
of
really?
in Sonora. Everything's in slow motion. He just kind of fell out. We spent a lot of time in the emergency room.
So he was,
He was
an
trying to
accident
roll the
prone.
window down for me, and he opened the door by mistake. And,
Uh-oh.
and of course, it was because he was trying to
Help you.
with his little brother.
Okay.
So
All right. I think we pounded
that
all the
should
meat.
explain a lot of things right there.
Oh, yes.
All that. Now, I forgot what I did with the top of this. Okay.
Damn.
Now then,
It's some flat meat.
I guess we move this now back.
Are
Sure.
you done?
I think we're done pounding. I mean, we're still cooking. I need like a fork or a spoon or something.
Well, get one. There's some right here, and there's some in that thing.
Hey, I found some fireworks. Let's set them off.
Not in the house.
Chasers.
We have to wait till we go outside.
Made in Hunan, China.
Y'all
That's
should
where
have
they make all the fireworks.
I'd love to make fireworks.
All it is gunpowder and
we should
different
tell
minerals.
the story about Junction and the Deliverance theme song. I mean,
It's your show.
Tell the
Do
story.
tell.
well, I worked
That's
for this
good.
place, and we gave out the commodities, you know, like the government cheese and stuff.
Yeah.
And but we worked in conjunction with Kimball County or Junction.
Mm-hmm.
They have cedar choppers there.
Cedar whackers.
Cedar whackers? I always thought it was cedar choppers. But,
Cedar whackers.
Well, yeah, it must be your generation. But anyway, you say tomato.
Mm-hmm.
So went with me early one morning just to drive down there. Oh my God, can you edit that? So Cameraman went with me one morning down there.
If he remembers, sometimes he forgets.
Oh my
I haven't
God.
read anything yet.
And it's, you know, it's really a nice drive from Sonora to Junction because
Right.
it's just kind of an arid climb
It's pretty
and
looking.
it's really interesting and there is a lot of cedar. So we're just gonna let this soak just a
So
bit, but in
what
the
do these
meantime we
people
can
do,
be
these
prepared.
Mix up our
Well, there's
flour.
all this cedar trees, which is actually what the juniper. It's not like the cedars of Lebanon or anything.
No,
but-
no.
So it's kind of, but it's very invasive, and you know, it wasn't part of the natural landscape. The Spanish
Right.
horsemen
Maybe
when they
I'm
came
gonna-
over
They
Clean
brought that
this
shit.
up.
brought the mesquite, and I don't know where the cedar came from, but anyway, that was the mesquite story. So anyway, sorry.
I'm sorry I interrupted.
That's okay. And so there's just a lot of cedar for people to chop and then sell as firewood and so forth.
Oh, firewood.
There's nothing else to do to make
No.
money.
Yeah.
Well, that's an idea. I might become one of these. secret
There's a lot of
workers.
mistletoe out there. I heard mistletoe was on the demise this year, but I'm like, it's
There's a shitload out there, huh?
yeah, there is. So the next thing we're gonna do is put and then you can tell me where I am in the story.
I
Because
hope I
I know it's the
remember.
story to Junction.
The Junction
All right.
story.
We're gonna get the flour ready. We're gonna put it in the bag
Uh-huh.
and with some salt and pepper and some of this
Seasoning.
rub from a local non-named place.
Okay.
Oh, you was handing out the government cheese.
Yes.
Yeah, we were going to pick it up so we could hand it out. And, you know, I don't know what all it was that day, but it's neither here. So we stopped for breakfast at a cafe there. And you have to leave Interstate 10 and go in through the town of Junction. And I'm